Hey chemistry heads, it's time for some more chemistry at home. So I've got some instructions once again from Melissa about what experiment we're doing today, and I do not know what chemistry will happen. I just am told what to do. So you can follow along if you'd like. You can also listen to today's chemistry at home episode to hear the details, and especially to hear the explanation behind what we're doing. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is add some honey to my little mug here. It's a little bright. Let me adjust that. There we go. So we've got a base of honey going on. Next, it's supposed to be corn syrup, but I don't have that. But luckily, if you have some maple syrup that's not actually maple syrup, basically corn syrup with some maple flavoring. I'm gonna add a layer of that. Okay, interesting. And it looks like the honey is actually kind of staying at the bottom, and this is just going on top of that. Next is some dish soap. These first few are like kind of a similar color, but still easy to see. It's weird that I happen to have orange dish soap on hand. Okay, yeah, you can kind of see this is actually going on top of the corn syrup, maple syrup. So we've got kind of 3 layers going now. Next is some vegetable oil. This will actually be a lot easier to see. Yeah, that's a lot easier to see. Once I finish pouring all these, I'll give you guys a shot from the side. Next is some water, and I added some blue food coloring just because I was worried it would be hard to see. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna add a little more because I'm having a hard time seeing where it's going. So it's wanting to go mingle with that soap down there, I think. And the oil is staying above, which is interesting. We got some suds there too. And then last is some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna give it a second to settle out a little bit and show you guys what it's looking like from the side. You can kind of see those distinct layers there. It's a little bit easier to see. So that lowest one we have is the honey and maple flavored syrup. And then next it should be the dish soap. I think it's still there. And then it looks like the blue water, I'm glad we actually changed the color of that, went down below the oil. And then the oil is hanging on top. And then the alcohol, I think, kind of went below the oil a little bit. There. That's kind of interesting. Over here, it seems to not be able to decide what it wants to do. So that's pretty unusual. And then Melissa had me grab some household items. Really, I just could only find a paper clip and a screw to toss in there and see what happens. So Let's see where they land. Okay, that was interesting. It did go all the way down, but once it hit the honey and syrup section, it would slow down a lot. I'll try a paperclip. This is the smallest one I could find. Hopefully it being a lot lighter will mean it has a little different effect here. Oh, interesting. So it actually did go all the way down as well. It's just that it took a lot longer to get there. I'm gonna have to probably find some more stuff to throw in here. That's interesting. So that is this month's Chemistry at Home experiment. So listen to the episode and learn along with me about what chemistry is at play here, what's causing all these different layers, and maybe learn about a few different things Melissa will tell us that we could toss into this little layered concoction and see what things might land at different layers and what else. It's kind of a mess, but also looks kind of cool. Okay, thanks for watching along. Listen to the episode, and we'll talk to you guys soon.